Hello friends, welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. Hope you're fine now. In this video, I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Cardano. So before starting this video, Cardano holders, click the subscribe button now and hit my 2K subscriber. Thank you so much for your subscribe. As you can see here now, let's see the live price prediction of Cardano. What's going in the Cardano in a market of cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, it's loading. So kindly like video and subscribe my channel for more latest news and updates about Cardano cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, that is the live price prediction of previous 1 hour. As you can see here, the change is in positive, so it's time of Cardano holders enjoy it. And this good news, kindly subscribe my channel for this good news. As you can see here, the channel is positive 0.84%, and the high price of Cardano cryptocurrencies is $1.2 is the high price of Cardano in the previous 1 hour. As you can see the graph of Cardano cryptocurrency, so it's after a great falls they start jumping upward. As you can see here, after a great fall they start jumping upward. Now it's time of Cardano holders celebrate it. Thank you so much, congratulations for all Cardano holders. As you can see here, now let's see the live price prediction of previous 2 hour. What's going in the previous 2 hour? As you can see here, and previous 2 hour is also a good hours of Cardano holders. As you can see here, in the previous 2 hour they are start jumping, but after it's unfortunately they start dumping for a little time. As you can see here, and again they start jumping. So it's time of Cardano holders celebrate it, and don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more latest news and updates about cryptocurrency market.